Good morning, all. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now, I welcomes you all to the online teaching and learning platform organized by our education department of MCGM. And today we are going to study about the subject EVS 2 and our topic is beginning of settle life. Before going to the subtopic, I would like to introduce myself. This is Mr. Ganesh Ramesh Kedare from MPS Dharavi Kala Killa, G North Ward. Okay, before going to the content, I would like to share a one good thought. That is, dreams don't work unless you do. Dreams don't work unless you do. What it means? It means that if you want to complete your dream, what you have to do? You have to work hard to achieve that dreams. Only by sitting, you cannot achieve your dream. Understood? Now, student, I am very excited to hear from about your family. Okay. Now I am going to ask you few questions. Students, can you tell me what is your father?
What is it, father?
Student, give me the answers. I am asking you a question. What is your father?
uh, electrical engineer.
Very good.
My father is farmer.
Very good. Your father is a farmer and your father is an electrical engineer. Very good. Now, students, can you tell me why your father is doing that work?
Or he, that is work. That work is that.
Yes, because it is your father's work. But why? Why your father doing that work? What he gets? What will your father gets after doing the work?
Salary.
Yes, very good. Your father gets the salary. Very good. Now, student, I am going to share you some slides. You have to identify it. Okay. Now,
Okay.
Barabar.
can you identify this picture?
Yes.
Tell me. Yes. Tell me. What is it about? Can you tell me about this picture? Can you do the same,
Coloring.
students? Can you identify this picture? What these people are doing?
They are Coloring. painting the wall.
Yes, they are painting the walls. Can you tell me the person who paints the wall or painting? What is?
Painter.
Yes, we call that person is a painter. Do you like painting, students?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Also having special subjects like drawing, crafts, music. Having or not?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, very good. Now, students, can you tell me from where do we get the clothes?
Um,
From where do we get the clothes? You are wearing clothes now every day.
yes.
Then from here we got it. We got it from the shop or not.
Yes.
But you
Yes.
know, but you know who stitches the clothes?
Tailor.
Yes, very good. The tailor stitches the clothes. Very good. Tell me what happened if your mother is cleaning the utensil in the basin in your kitchen room and suddenly the basin get choked up. Then whom call,
Plumber.
whom you call?
We call plumber.
We call plumber.
Very good. We call the plumber because plumber can do it perfectly because it is the
सर
work
अब
of.
क्या आवाज कट रही है
Okay.
सर योर वॉइस इज ब्रेकिंग
Okay, students. Do you like to wear shoes? Students, do you like to wear shoes or not?
यस
Okay. Can you tell me who makes the new shoes? Who repairs the shoes? Yes, you can.
not know that
We,
cobbler
very good, very good, excellent. We call that person is a cobbler. Okay, the cobbler repair our shoes and make the new shoes, mending the shoes.
yes.
Then we call all these works like painting, plumbing, tailoring. What we call all this work? Can you tell me what is it?
What will questions
What we call these works like painting and tailoring? Do you know the answer? It is nothing but the occupation. When we work for making money to fulfill our daily needs. Like your father is electric engineer and farmer. It is their occupation. Understood? Student, picture, tell me what you see in the first picture.
first picture she is doctor
Very good. She is a doctor. And the next one, next picture.
in they are engineers
Very good.
Engineer.
Engineer. Now tell me, if we tell a doctor to give me design and construction for my new house and an engineer to look after the patient and do the treatment of the patient, what will happen with them? Do they complete the given tasks?
No. No.
Very good. No, they can't. Why they can't? Can you tell me?
because that is not them
Very good. Because they are not comfortable with that work. They are having their own specialty. Doctor is having a special skill in doctory and the engineer having the special skill in requires special skills to complete any work perfectly or skillfully. Understood? What it means? It means that it requires a special skills to complete any work perfectly or skillfully. So here we are going to study about such special skills and occupation at the beginning of the settled life. Okay, have you understood what we are going to study about? We are
yes
study about the special skill and the occupation at the beginning of settled life. Okay, don't
okay
in the lecture what we studied about. We studied about the same topic that is the beginning of the settled life. But in we studied what subject? Which are they? Can you tell me in the last lecture?
what
What we studied in the last lecture?
class lecture
Yes.
uh, class lecture is called periods
No. What we studied in the last lecture? We studied about the domestication. Remember? We studied about the domestication and hunting and animal husbandry and agriculture. All these. Okay. Now tell me, what did the early man used to do the getting food? We have learned it already in the previous lesson, previous class. Okay. What did the early man used to do for getting food in the early man in the Stone Age? What they
Hunting.
very good. They were using hunting. And then after what they started to begin after
Uh, farm.
yes, they started farming, they started agriculture.
Sir,
Okay,
what is meant by agriculture?
okay. I have uh, teach you in the last lecture. Agriculture means the task or the skill or the science that tell about the cultivation of the land, how to grow crops, and the how to raise the livestock. Okay, understood?
Oh,
Agriculture, agriculture art and the science which tell us about how to cultivate the land, how to grow crops, and how to raise livestock. Understood, beta?
understood.
Okay. All these are hunting and the agriculture are the occupation of the early Stone Age man. Okay.
Okay.
Now see the next slide. The first, what do you observe in the picture? What do you observe?
Hunting.
Yes, they are doing. Can you identify the animal?
Ye- Bull? No, no, bull, no.
Not bull. It is a goat. But which goat? It is a mountain goat. Which goat?
Mountain goat.
Yes. Now, you can tell me. Everyone is having a refrigerator means fridge at your kitchen in your home. Having or not?
Fridge?
Yes, you are having a fridge at your home in your
No. Yes.
okay. You are not having, but somebody else having or not?
Yes.
Most of the people having fridge or the refrigerator at their kitchen. Why there is a need of refrigerator? Why we use that refrigerator or fridge?
Because we use the fridge for fresh food.
Yes, we use fridge to keep our food fresh for some days or some periods. Okay.
Okay.
Think about hunting. They could not in the early Stone Age man. They don't have fridge with them. Today we are having all the machines, advanced techniques, but
Yes.
there were no any machines like refrigerator and fridge. They were only hunting. And what happened then? They could not store food for a long time. Why they could not store food for a long time? Can you
They
tell me?
they eat food.
Food, yes, food get spoil or we can say that like food get the stolen. Okay. Men and women in the community were continuously engaged in the getting food. While hunting, all men and women in the community were continuously engaged in getting food. Why they are continuously engaged in getting food? Because they cannot store food for a long period. If they were hunting for one day, they have to hunt again for the next day. Why? Because the food gets spoiled. They cannot keep that food fresh. So they were continuously busy in engaging getting food. Understand? The next lecture. Next slide. What do you observe? What do you observe in this picture? Can you tell me about this picture?
Culture.
Yes, agriculture. The farmer is farming in the or cultivating the land in his farm. Okay. Now tell me, it became possible to store food grains for a long period. Okay, we can store food grains for a long period or not?
No.
Can store food for a long period. Food was available than needed by community. What is mean by community here? Community means the people of the village settlement. Okay, and get the spare time for natural creativity and special skills. Now, students, see here. Here, in the hunting, they cannot store the food for a long time. But in the agriculture, what happened? it is become possible to store food grains for a long period. Due to the more food was available than needed by the community, and the people who used to farm is getting spare time for their natural creativity. Now tell me, after the school hours, what you are doing after the school hours? Tell me, student, what you are doing after the school hours? Students, give me the answers. What are you doing after your school hours?
Studying.
Studying. You are studying. Other give the answer. You are playing. Is playing. Okay. The next one is when people got the spare time or free time around thinking and using their natural creativity to develop special. They spend their time, they spend their thinking and using their natural creativity to develop special skills. Okay, you are spending your time on tuitions, in a planes, but
Yes.
what they were using the times, what how they were using, they were using in creativity to develop their special. So those people have who has special skills got the craft work or the work they got as per their specialty. Okay, the people who has special skills got the craft work. They got the craft work. Okay, means what we learn from this, you also have to use your spare time to develop your creativity. Okay, you also have to spend your time, your spare time, to develop your creativity. Okay, now student, next slide, observe this picture and tell me what do
Crafts.
you see in the first picture.
Craft work. Craft. Potter. The potter makes pot.
Very good, the potter is making the pot.
Pot.
And next picture,
Potter. There are
there is a
pot.
bead, and that is a necklace, and it makes the beads of earthen. Okay, all these are using the earthen pot. This is the earthen pot, and this is the earthen bead. Okay, now work based on the special skill. We are going to see this now. The craft works. In the ancient time, peoples were making the earthen pots and beads, and women made earthen pots and other objects by their hand only. Today, we are having so many advanced technologies. We are using wheels and making pots and making the jewelry. Okay, but in the ancient time, what happened? There were no techniques. There were no machineries. So, they are usually using their hand. Okay, so you can see the picture. These all are the pots made of earthen pot. Okay, and the next one is the necklace. It is made of earthen bead. What I'm Are you getting or not? Are you getting it, guys? Now the next topic is community life based on mutual cooperation. What is our next point? Community life based on the mutual cooperation. Who will read the first point?
I.
Yes, read beta.
Surplus food. Farmers. Surplus food. Farmer in the village settlement were producing more food than needed.
Yes, the first point is surplus food. The farmers in the village settlement were producing more food than the needed. Do you understand what is it? Surplus food means the quantity that is more than the required. For example, you are able to eat only one apple at a time. Okay, and you will get the 10 apples. Can you eat that 10 apples? No. You,
No.
no, you cannot eat. Okay, this is called the surplus food. Means that quantity is more than the need. Understood? And why this is happen? Because of the agriculture, because farmers started using the implements and producing more foods, so it arose the need of craftsmen. Okay, it arose the needs of craftsmen. What is the use of craftsmen? Craftsmen are a perfect person for making the agriculture implements and repairing them. Okay, you can observe the picture, that is that is the implements of the agriculture. So there were need of craftsmen for making the agriculture implement and repairing them. Repairing them. Okay. Why there is a need of craftsmen? There is a need of craftsmen because for making the agriculture implements and repairing them. And what happened there? Craftsmen has to paid in the form of food grains. Okay, craftsmen have to paid in the form of food grains. Now, children, tell me, if you want to buy the chocolate, okay, if you want to buy the chocolate, where you will go?
Shop.
Yes, you will go to the shop. And what you will give to them to buy the chocolate? What you will give to the shopkeeper?
Uh, Give me chocolate.
But what you will give? Then only the shopkeeper give you the chocolates, or he can give you free.
No money.
Yes, you have to give the money. But the new stone age, in the new stone age, there were no money. How they were do the selling and buying? Like these craftsmen also need to pay. But then how he paid? He paid in the form of food grain instead of the using money, because they are unfamiliar about the money. They don't know about the money. They were unknown about the money. So they were using food grains and the article. We have already studied about the pots. The potter makes the pots and the beads. All these articles they are using to make the buying and selling. Okay, and due to this, the system arrived, and that system we call the barter system. Which system? The barter system. Without money, we are doing the buying and selling is established, and we call that system is a barter system. What we call that system?
What is it?
Barter.
For what?
What is there in the barter system? Did they use the money or food grains or any articles? Did they use money?
Yes.
No, they did not use money. In the early Stone Age man, they did not use the money and currency. What they use food grains and the articles. Understood? What they used?
Yes.
What they used for me?
Food
For,
grains.
yes, food grains and articles, whatever they have with them. Okay, so to run all these paid systems smoothly, they had to start the exchange of the objects and the goods they had with them instead of the money. Thus the new system of buying and selling was established, and we call that system is a barter system. Okay, understood? What is barter system? Now let me explain in a detail. Now observe this picture. What do you see in this picture?
The man give the woman apple and the woman give the man banana.
Yes, the woman gives the banana and the man gives an apple. Can you observe money here? Can you observe money? I don't
No.
observe. Yes, there is no money. There is only things and the objects. They are sharing with each other. Okay, instead of money. And in this picture, what they were doing?
Um, the man's in the man hand a bag and the shoes.
Yeah. No. The man is having, one man is having bag and other is having shoes. Now the person gives the shoes and replacing with the bag. Okay, they are exchanging the bag with the shoe and shoe with the bag instead of the money. Here also they are not using the money, they are using objects to exchange. Understood?
Yes.
Good. Now let us see what is barter system. Barter system means a system in which one commodity is exchanged with another commodity. What is in my commodity? For example, there is a potter and it becomes the commodity of potter, and there is a one carpenter also. The carpenter is also one of the community. And what they were doing? They were using their goods for exchanging. Okay, for buying and selling. Can you see in this picture? There is a
Yes.
fish and fruit grains. Understood? What do you see in this picture? There is a, yes, yes. Tell me. What do you,
One have a fish and second man have a grains.
yes, they are exchanging with each other by fish and the food grains. Now see here, what is barter system? The definition of a barter system is a system under which goods and services are exchanged instead of currency. Understood?
Yes.
Actual goods or services that are being exchanged. For example, bread is provided in the exchange for butter. What they are exchanging? Bread. Bread is provided in exchange of
But
butter. Very good. Can you tell me the examples like this? Only don't use money, only use objects or articles. Can you give me the, any examples? How you exchange the, if you are in this class, and how you will exchange your articles or the objects with your friends in your classroom? You are having friends now,
yes.
then you are sharing the objects.
Yes.
Then can you give me the example? Any example?
Uh,
Yes, beta. If you need the pencil,
I give my friend eraser and the friend give me scale.
excellent, very good. You are not using money here. You are using the objects only. For the barter system, understood?
Yes.
Thus, buying and the selling process, which do not include the currency. Instead of the currency, they are using the objects and articles, whatever they are having with them, is called the barter system. Very simple. Now, students, can you read this?
I read.
Yes, beta.
Salt trade. Salt become an essential item. It,
Okay.
it orbited from faraway places.
Yes, good. And third
Al-
one.
Also trade articles the received.
Okay. And the next, last one.
It helped the expansion of trade in New Stone Age.
Okay. Very good. Now, salt trade. Everyone is having, do you know about the salt?
Yes.
Everyone is having salt at your, in your kitchen. Having or not?
Yes, having.
The salt is the first trade in the new stone age has been started. The first trade. And it became the essential item. It became essential. Essential means what? The important. It is very necessary. Okay. And the second, it obtained from the faraway places. So what happened? The traders is trading their salt in the exchange of the food grains or the articles people's giving to them. Okay. And so also trade the articles they received from the person to whom they sold the salt. Okay, and what happened due to this? It helped the expansion of the trade in the new stone age. Expansion means what? The progress of the development of the progress of the trade. Trade means market. We can call in our language that is a market. Okay, buying and understood. Have you
Yes.
understood, children? Children, you understood or not?
Yes, understood.
Very good, excellent. Now come to the next. Rules for the mutual cooperation. What is it? Rules for the
Mutual cooperation.
now in the first point, village community made the rules for mutual cooperation in order to keep the system of trade and distribution of resources running smoothly. Why did they made the rules for mutual cooperation? Because to maintain the system of trade and distribution of the resources running smoothly. Why did it arose the rules to make the rules for the mutual cooperation? Because to keep this system of trade and distribution of resources running smoothly. For example, children tell me, you are in a school, okay?
Okay.
Maybe your teacher appointed a class monitor or not. Maybe you are also the class monitor. Why
Yes.
teacher allowed one student as a class monitor? Can you tell me?
For the class is silence.
Yes. To make the class silent or to make the discipline, to maintain the discipline in the classroom. Understood? The same thing happened with this also. The same rule we follow in this also. We have they were started making the rules for mutual cooperation. For what? For keeping the system of trade and distribution of resources running smoothly. Understood? Now it arose the administrative system form and they elected chief for implementation of the rules. Okay, like yours. Your class teacher appointed class monitor. Here, what the village settlement appointed? They were appointed the chief from the village. And it is their duty of the chief to maintain the mutual cooperation and look after the administration of that village. Understood? Like the monitor look after the class, how to maintain the class, how to maintain the discipline, how to make the class calm. Okay, the same way the chief of that village has to look after the administration of that village settlement and the mutual cooperation, so that the system of the trade and the distribution of the resources run smoothly and the chief interested with the protection of the rules. Okay. Now
Okay.
there were found the evidence of the administration. What is mean by the evidence? What is in the evidence? Do you understand the word evidence? The evidence means the proof. Okay. The proof of that administration. From where do we get the proof of the administration of the New Stone Age man or New Stone Age man village settlement? We get the administration evidence, that is protective walls and the moats around the village settlement of New Stone Age has been found in excavations. Excavation means what? Digging out the soil. Digging out the soil. Do you know what we call the person who study the historical objects by digging it out? What we call that person? We call that person archaeologist. Why we call what we call that person? We call that person archaeologist. Understood? And what they found? They found after the digging the protective walls and moats around the village settlements of New Stone Age. Understood? Can you tell me why they made the walls and the moats around the village? Can you tell me?
What?
Why these built were made around the village? Okay. These walls were built to protect the village settlements from the floods, from the wild animals, and the outsiders who stole the village cattle. Understood? Why they built the walls and the moats in the village settlements? Because to protect the village settlements from floods, wild animals, and outsiders who stole the village cattle. Understood, children?
Yes.
Good. Now come to the next slide.
Structures of house.
First point, who will read?
I will read.
Yeah, you can. Good.
Wattle and dub houses. Houses were made of wattle and dub. The walls were screens woven
From
sticks or bamboo, plated
plaster.
mud or cow dung.
Okay, very good, beta. Excellent. Now, this is the structure of the houses. Before explaining this point, now tell me, where do we live?
We live in house.
Yes, very good. We live in house. Can you tell me what material did we use to build our house?
Cement.
Yes, cement and the bricks we are
Yes.
using to build our house. But it did not happen with that old Stone Age man. There were no cement at that time. So what they were using? They were
Uh, they using
using
sand and
uh,
other.
yes, you can. Very good, excellent. They were using the sticks or bamboos and the plaster with the mud or cow dung. Understood? This is the first structure of the house. The house named as Wattle and Dub House. What is the name of the house? Wattle and Dub House. The houses were made of wattle and the dub. What is meant by wattle? Can you tell me? What is meant by wattle? Wattle means the material that using for fence or the wall. The material that we use to make the wall, that is called the wattle. And what is meant by dub? Dub is nothing but the plaster. We are plaster our house with the cement. The same way they are plastering their house with the sticky material, that is called the mud or cow dung. Understand?
Yes.
Good. And the next type of the structure is quadrangular houses. Which one is quadrangular houses? What is mean by quadrangular? Quadrangular means the house that is having more than four sides or more than two rooms, or there may be more than two doors and six windows. You know, in a quadrangular house there were six rooms, four sides, and two doors. Okay. And house built with the sun-dried bricks. It has more rooms. The houses were built with very close to each other. A regional difference of the construction seen according to the local climate. Understood? Now come to the next topic. Now we are going to see the evaluation. Now it's time to evaluation. The first question: what is mean by surplus food? Can you tell me what is mean by surplus food?
Surplus food.
Yes, I have already told you what is mean by surplus food.
Yes. And
Yes,
surplus food will I will give the thing and you will give me food.
no. The surplus food means the quantity of the foods that is more than the needed. Understood?
Oh yes.
That is more than the needed. Now, second question. Why did the people made the rules for? I just told you about the rules. Will you answer? You know it.
The rule is very important.
Why did the people made the rules for? Yes, I can't hear you. Please say loudly.
Because the rule is very important.
Very good. Because rule is very important to make the disciplines, to run the whatever things, that things should be go smoothly. Understood? Good. Now third question. Name the houses built in the New Stone Age.
Name the house.
Yes, structure of the houses. Just we saw about these structures of the houses. Which houses?
The Stone Age.
In the Stone Age.
Buildings.
Well,
What?
wattle and dove houses. Second one is quadrangular houses. Understood? Now the next question. How did the women made pots and other objects?
Hands.
Yes, they were using their hands to make the pots and other earthen objects. Very good. Excellent. Clever boy. Now, for what purpose did the farmers needed craftsmen?
Uh, crafts.
Why did they need it for the craftsmen?
So,
Yes, try beta. You can try.
uh,
Yes, you are correct. Yes, yes. Bol.
For
Yes,
they
beta.
for
you
the pot
For
and
making implements
for making pots
that
and
yes, for making the implement that were using in the farming. The farmer used implement in farming to produce more food, and to repair that implement the farmer needed the craftsman. Understood?
yes.
The sixth question. What is mean by barter system?
Barter system.
Yes, we just learned about.
get and one
No, what is mean by barter system? I'm asking about the barter system.
Barter system.
We are not using money. I gave you the hint. I give the hint. We are not using money in that system. Now tell me, what is barter system? Okay, barter system means the system of buying and selling without using money and using the food grains and the articles with each other. Okay, exchanging the articles with each other, with each other instead of the using currency. Understood? Barter system. In the barter system, we use objects to exchange to fulfill our needs. Okay. Seventh one. Why did they build walls around the village? Why did they build walls around the village in the New Stone Age?
Uh, World to protect the for a war for wild animals,
Yes, very, you are very clever.
protect from wild animals,
if
the forest.
Very good, very good. Excellent. They built walls around the village to protect village settlements from the floods, from the wild animals, and the outsiders who stole the village cattle. Okay,
yeah.
now you understood all these questions.
Yes.
Now it is time to homework now. What you have to do, the first is differentiate between the today's houses and the new Stone Age houses. We have already learned about the new Stone Age houses,
Yes.
and you know already how the today's houses are. Okay, so what you have to differentiate between. You have to tell me the difference between both of these and the new Stone Age man houses. And the second is write five sentences on any one occupation. Do you know what is occupation?
Occupation. Means
Father is a. You
No,
told now.
I know.
You have to write about the occupation. You can write about your father's occupations also.
yes.
Okay.
This is, the, this is your homework. Second question number 1 and question number 2.
Yes.
Okay. You have to send it back. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, student, for attending the class.
Me too. And thank you for teaching me.
Welcome, beta. Stay.
Stay home, stay safe.
Stay home, stay safe, sir.
You too, beta. Stay home. Stay safe. Goodbye. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. You also take care.
Beta. Thank you.